Hello everyone, in this video, you will see how to pay with a gift card on the Chipotle app. Launch the Chipotle app on your smartphone or tablet. Make sure you are logged into your account. Browse the menu and add items to your cart as you normally would for an order. Once you have added all the items you want to order, tap on the cart icon or navigate to the checkout page. On the checkout page, you will see various payment options. Look for the option to pay with a gift card. It may be labeled as a gift card, gift certificate, or something similar. Select the gift card payment option, and then enter the gift card number and PIN when prompted. This information is typically found on the back of the physical gift card or in the email if it is an e-gift card. After entering the gift card details, tap on the Apply or Add button to apply the gift card to your order. The app should verify the gift card information and deduct the appropriate amount from your total. Review your order to ensure everything is correct, including the payment information. If everything looks good, proceed to complete the order by tapping on the Place Order or similar button. Once the order is successfully placed, you should receive a confirmation message or notification. You can also check your order history or email for a confirmation of the payment. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.